5 days ago, a new trading competition on Tradingview called The Leap started. It has a prize pool of $45,000, and in today's video I want to share with you the trades which I took so far and how they are playing out. Here are the quick rules. You can see it's virtual money, so you're trading on a demo account which has $250,000. And there are only 6 symbols available for trading. It's EURUSD, the S&P 500, Bitcoin, Gold, Ethereum, and Solana. Unfortunately, this trading competition is actually only for 30 days. And as you know, I am only trading the higher time frames. So it still takes some time for my trades to play out. Nevertheless, full transparency, I want to share everything with you, which I traded so far, and the stats and the results. Let's start with the first trade I took, and I basically took a trade on all of those 6 assets on Bitcoin. You can see so far this Bitcoin position is in a profit of $1,600. The maximum position you can basically enter is 0.35 BTC, and I entered this position as soon as the month and the trading competition started. I simply went long on Bitcoin. I do expect that in 1 month we are higher. That's my position on Bitcoin. The second cryptocurrency is on Ethereum, and basically right here it's the same thing. It's very difficult if you only have 1 month to do proper technical analysis, because again, within 1 month, basically anything can happen. But if I'm just looking at the chart, it looks pretty bullish. We are going from bottom left to top right. So there is a higher chance that in 1 month we will be higher on Ethereum. Also right here, I entered this position the moment the trading competition started. The maximum position size you can have on Ethereum is 7 ETH. And this position is currently in a profit of roughly $1,000. Keep in mind, this is virtual money, so I'm not making any money on Ethereum with this trading competition. The third cryptocurrency which was available for trading was Solana. And you can see right here, also in a profit of $1,500. Again, the problem is that those trading competitions are only for 30 days. And within 30 days, anything could happen. Solana could crash 50% within the next 30 days. And this does not show whether you are a profitable, whether you are a long-term profitable trader. I already spoke to Tradingview moderators, and they said that they are looking to add longer competitions in the future, because 30 days, anything could happen, and it's basically just random. But if you're looking at Solana, it was basically the same thought process. Solana is moving from the bottom left to the top right. We already had a correction last month of roughly 37%, but considering that I was already long on Bitcoin and already long on Ethereum, I also decided to enter a long position on Solana the moment the Tradingview competition started, and so far this is in a profit of $1,500. Those were basically the 3 cryptocurrencies. Then we do have one commodity which we can trade, which is gold. Right here you can see this is in a small drawdown of $700. I entered this position, let's quickly go down on the daily. I entered this position 3 days ago, also right here when the month started, but so far it's in a little bit of a drawdown. Nevertheless, I am overall bullish on gold. And in my opinion, there is a much higher chance that we will see another green candle towards the upside. And that is basically why I decided to enter a long position. Then we have the S&P 500 with ticker symbol SPF 500 USD. You are only allowed to trade those Oanda symbols. And on the S&P 500, I decided to enter a short position. As you know, the S&P 500, if you're following my trading newsletter, if you're following analysis on Instagram and on Tradingview and on YouTube, the S&P 500 is currently retesting resistance. So in my opinion, we will still see a little more continuation towards the downside. That's why I decided to enter a short position. But again, it's only 1 month, and there could certainly be the possibility that this month we will simply once again retest those previous highs. Then we will have a green candle and this trade closes for a loss. On the other side, if we get more continuation towards the downside, this will be a beautiful, profitable trade. But again, it's just virtual money, and we're just competing for this prize pool of $45,000. Last but not least, we also have one forex pair which is EURUSD. Again, you have to use the Oanda symbol. And again, I'm looking at the monthly time frame. You can see naked chart. EURUSD is in an overall downtrend. We're moving from the top left to the bottom right. And that's why I decided to enter a short position. In my opinion, there is a higher chance, a higher probability that the next month will actually be a red month. I also entered this position on the 1st of May 2024. We have 30 days, and in my opinion, again, there is a higher chance that we will see a red candle, and I can close out this position for a profit. If you're looking at the bottom of my screen, you can see right here the paper trading, and this is the Leap. Those are basically all of my positions. You can see it's the Leap May account. I entered a long on Ethereum, I entered a long on Bitcoin, a long on gold, a long on Solana, a short on the S&P 500, and a short on EURUSD. So far, this is in a profit of $2,800, which is already 1% of the entire account. But of course, considering that I'm swing trading, my trades, they take a lot of time to actually play out. And I certainly do have a disadvantage regarding trading, because if you're a day trader, if you're either a profitable day trader, which again, just a very small percentage of people are actually profitable day traders, but you can also be a lucky day trader and within the next 30 days make some money. And again, 30 days is actually not a lot of time, and I'm really hoping that we will see trading competitions which last for 6 months or even 1 year, because then you do have clear results whether somebody is profitable or not. That's basically it regarding my positions on the Leap trading challenge. Of course, also in the Elite program, I keep those members updated regarding the trades on the Leap. If you want something free education, you can go ahead and click the first link in the description and join the free trading newsletter, which will be published once a month. If you enjoyed this quick breakdown of my trading positions on the Leap Tradingview challenge, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. I will see you next week, and as always, keep your long-term vision.